Before his interview, the applicant was not sure how to fill out the form N-400, especially the part about work history. The applicant drives for Uber Eats, and he didn't want to get it wrong.
I wasn't sure how to fill it out as an Uber Eats driver, and I didn't want to get it wrong.
If you're a gig worker or helping someone apply for American citizenship, this video is for you. You'll see how the applicant answered the officer's questions, what the interview was really like, and how he got through it, step by step. Let's try to listen to one particular question from the immigration officer. Listen to this one.
I see here that you answered yes to the question about being arrested, cited, or detained. Can you tell me more about that?
This is another challenging inquiry from the USCIS officer. Listen to this one.
So, you received 2 speeding tickets while working as an Uber Eats driver, and you paid the fines for both without going to court. Is that correct?
We're sharing this naturalization interview video to help other applicants feel more prepared, especially for self-employed or unsure about parts of the Form N-400 application. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Mr. Torres. My name is Officer James Ford. I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. How are you today? How was the traffic on your way here?
Good morning, Officer Ford. Yes, traffic was fine. Thank you. I am okay.
That is nice to hear. So, how was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I spent time with family.
That's good. So, what did you do together with your family?
Oh, we went fishing on the lake, and it was fun.
That's great. Before we begin the interview, I need to place you under oath. Could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the statements you will give and provide today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. First, I need to see your identification. Please give me your permanent resident card, your current passport, and any expired passports you use to enter the U.S., and your driver's license or state ID.
Yes, officer. I have them here.
Thank you. Okay, Juan Torres. Born October 10th, 1958. Citizen of Mexico. Lawful permanent resident since October 20th, 2019. Everything appears to be in order. Mr. Torres, today we will review your application for naturalization, Form N-400, to confirm the information is accurate and up to date. We will also test your knowledge of U.S. history and government, as well as your ability to read and write in English. Do you have any questions before we start?
Yes, officer. I have a question about the job part of the application. I wasn't sure how to fill it out as an Uber Eats driver, and I didn't want to get it wrong.
Let me check the information you provided for your employer on the N-400. You listed Uber Eats, but did not provide an address. As a delivery driver, you're an independent contractor, so you don't have a single work location. The best way to fill this out is to put NA or various locations for the employer address, and then list the company name. I have just corrected that for you, so no need to worry. We have the correct information on your application now.
Oh, thank you, officer. I am relieved that it is fixed. I understand the process now. Thank you for your help.
All right. Let's begin with part 2 of your application, information about you. Please state your current full legal name.
Juan Torres.
Is that the name on your birth certificate and passport?
Yes.
Have you used any other names since birth? Nicknames, aliases, different spellings?
No, just Juan Torres.
Your date of birth is October 10th, 1958, and you were born in Oaxaca, Mexico. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And you are currently a citizen of Mexico?
Yes, I am.
Can you confirm the date you became a lawful permanent resident?
October 20th, 2019.
And you're applying for naturalization based on having been an LPR for at least 5 years?
Yes, that's why I'm here today.
Let's go over your current and previous addresses for the past 5 years. Is your current home address 321 Cactus Street, Dallas, Texas?
Yes, that is my current address.
How long have you lived there?
5 years since I moved here in 2020.
And what was your previous address before that?
654 Palm Drive, Dallas, Texas.
Okay. Your mailing address is the same as your home address, correct?
Yes, the same.
Now, about your employment history. You stated you are a retired Uber Eats delivery driver. When did you start and stop working for them?
I started driving for Uber Eats in 2020 and I retired in 2024 after I had my second traffic violation.
Thank you. Now, let's talk about your time outside the United States. Your application lists 2 trips to Mexico in the last 5 years. Can you tell me the approximate dates and the purpose of those trips?
The first trip was from December 2022 to January 2023 for about 60 days. The second trip was from December 2024 to January 2025, also for about 60 days. Both times, I was visiting family in Mexico.
Okay, so in total, you spent about 120 days outside the U.S. in the last 5 years. Did you have any single trip that lasted 6 months or more since becoming an LPR?
No, never. Just those 2 trips.
All right, let's move to your marital history. Your application states you are currently married. What is your wife's full name? And when did you get married?
Yes, I have been married to my wife Maria for 45 years.
Has your wife ever been married before?
No,
What is your spouse's current job?
my wife manages a team of people who clean houses.
Does your wife have an employer?
No, my wife and her sister are employers of a few people who work with them.
And do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 sons who are both US citizens.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
Mexico.
What is your race?
I am Mexican.
Are you Hispanic or Latino?
I am Hispanic.
What is your height and weight?
My height is 5 feet and 8 inches. My weight is 160 pounds.
What is your eye color and hair color?
My eye color and hair color are dark brown with white now because of my age.
What is your social security number?
My social security number is 603-432351.
Is your mother or father a U.S. citizen?
No, officer.
Mr. Torres, let's review the additional information about you section. Please listen carefully to these questions. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any U.S. election?
No,
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
no. I always file my taxes on time. My wife helps me.
And have you ever failed to file a required tax return since becoming an LPR?
No, I have always filed my taxes on time.
I see here that you answered yes to the question about being arrested, cited, or detained. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, I received 2 speeding tickets. I was driving for Uber Eats both times. I paid the fines for both of them.
So, you received 2 speeding tickets while working as an Uber Eats driver, and you paid the fines for both without going to court. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And have you ever been charged, convicted, or imprisoned for any other crime?
No, never.
What about serving in the U.S. military?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to a U.S. official to get a visa or other immigration benefit?
No,
Have you ever used a weapon or explosive with the intent to harm another person or cause property damage?
no, never.
Did you participate in the kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking of an airplane, ship, or other mode of transportation?
No, officer.
Have you ever ordered or assisted in killing or trying to kill any person?
No, never.
Did you commit any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not agree or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
No, never.
Have you ever commanded or forced someone not to practice their religion?
No, officer.
Did you ever cause harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No,
Have you ever helped anyone enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
no, officer.
Now, for some questions about your civic responsibilities. Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, officer. I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I understand it.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am very willing.
If the law requires it, Are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, officer.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I do.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Torres. That completes the review of your N-400 application. I have noted the clarifications regarding your work and the traffic violations, and everything is in order. Now, we will proceed with the English reading and writing tests. Please read the sentence I show you on this tablet out loud.
What was the first capital of the United States?
Okay, now I will read a sentence out loud for you to write down on the digital tablet. I will repeat the sentence. Do your best to spell it correctly. New York City was the first capital of the United States. New York City was the first capital of the United States. Very good. You've passed the English reading and writing tests. Now, we will proceed with the Civics test. I will ask you up to 10 questions from the official list of 100. You need to answer 6 questions correctly to pass. Ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Question 1. What is the economic system in the United States?
Capitalism or market economy?
Correct. Question 2. What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
That's correct. Question 3. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States flag.
Correct. Question 4. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States?
Atlantic Ocean.
That's right. Question 5. What are the 2 major political parties in the United States?
Democratic and Republican.
Exactly correct. Question 6. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military?
The President.
Perfect. That's 6 correct answers. You've passed the Civics test. Congratulations on passing all 3 tests. Mr. Torres, I have reviewed your entire application, including your documents and test results. Everything appears to be in order. Based on this review, I am pleased to recommend that your application for naturalization be approved.
Oh, thank you so much, officer. This is a huge blessing for me. Thank you for your help clarifying those issues.
You're welcome. Your honesty about the traffic violations and asking for clarification on your job helped us resolve those issues quickly. This is a recommendation for approval. Your application case will undergo a final quality check, and then USCIS will send you a notice for your oath ceremony. This notice will tell you the date, time, and location where you will take the oath of allegiance and receive your certificate of naturalization, officially becoming a U.S. citizen. Make sure we always have your correct mailing address.
Yes, I will. Thank you again for everything.
Congratulations, Mr. Torres. Please remember to bring your green card to the oath ceremony, as it will be collected at that time. Have a great day.
Thank you, Officer Ford. You too. Have a wonderful day.
If you have questions, write us a comment below this video. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. Good luck! You can do this, and thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for your support, loyal channel members.